Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. So our group would like to present about the HRM 4193, which is the subject which composition management. It is about market salary survey. So our company is Sarung Tangan, which is SDG Corporation Berhad. So this assessment prepared by Muhammad Shah Hazril bin Zulkifli and Muhammad Ishraf bin Ismail, which is me, and Muhammad Ali Azwan bin Muhammad Azhar, and Muhammad Hanafi bin Muhammad Zam. So, for this assignment, we prepare for Miss Shalina Nordin. We move to the first slide, which is a company profile. So, for the company profile, which is SDG Corporation Berhad, which is it incorporated in 1991 and headquartered in Malaysia. It recognized as the world largest manufacturer of rubber glove and introducing a comprehensive range of latex, nitrile, and vinyl glove with over 50 factories operating across multiple countries and export reaching more than 190 worldwide. And SCG has established itself as a dominant global player in the healthcare and PPE industry, class partner in glove and healthcare products. And our mission is to ensure safe human protection worldwide. So we will move to the next slide, which is the national chart. We will move to the next slide, which is organization chart, which is the first one. The HR manager is Muhammad Shah Hazril bin Zulkifli, and for the HR executive is Muhammad Ishraf bin Ismail, and for the HR training is Muhammad Ali Shazwan bin Muhammad Azhar, and the last one is HR payroll is Muhammad Hanafi bin. Next slide, which is we will move to the job description, job evaluation, and table market salary survey. For the first position, which is the JD, is the job description for the human resource manager, which is they have HR operation, recruitment, payroll, management, employee relations, performance appraisal, benefit administration, compliance with Malaysian labor laws, and the second one, which is they have administration and systems, which is HR records, leave management, HR software such as SAP, HRIS, and have the skill using the Microsoft Office proficiency. And for the third part, which is employee management, which is it is engagement programs, welfare programs, disciplinary action, performance review, and workplace culture. For the requirement that have to be the HR manager, which is they should have bachelor in HR management or even business administration, which is they have the experience after they graduate 2 until 4 years experience, have strong communication and interpersonal skills. So for the next part, which is the job evaluation, for their job scope, they should do some recruitment, payroll, employee relation, performance appraisal, benefit administration, compliance with Malaysian labor laws and company policies. For the job grade, which is the grade 6 for the executive level at the company. And for the third part, which is evaluation method, which is point factor technique, they should have skills 40%, responsibility 35%, effort 15%, and working condition is 10%. So for the requirement, they should have it's the same like the job description, which is they should have the bachelor in HR management or even business administration, and should have after graduate around 2 until 4 years experience, have strong communication skills, HR software, which is SAP and HRIS, and Microsoft Office proficiency, multitasking, and teamwork. So let's take a look about the table market salary survey. So we got three sources of the market salary survey, which is the first one is jobs rate, which the average monthly salary they shown about 6,250 until 8,750. That should be based on the experience. And for the average annual salary, for yearly around 75,000 until 105,000. So for the experience, the experience level, they should have mid-level and managerial. And for the second website that we choose is Glassdoor Malaysia. That average salary that they offer on that website, which is 5,000 until 7,500. And for the average annual salary for the yearly, which is 60,000 until 90,000. So for the experience level, mid-level, and managerial. So for the third website that we choose is Indeed Job Malaysia, which is the average monthly salary that they offer, which is 5,000 to 7,600. And average annual salary that for the yearly 61,000 to 91,900. And for the experience level, which is mid-level and managerial, for the so that's all for the three websites that we chose. But for the Sarung Tangan SG Corporation offer the average salary, which is for the monthly that we offer, which is 7,650 ringgit Malaysia, and for the average annual salary that we offer is 91,800 ringgit Malaysia, and for the experience level, which is mid-level and managerial. So for the pay decision that we offer, which is 7,650 per month, which is it meets the market average for similar positions, and statutory contribution, which is EPF SOSO EIS, which is meets standard statutory requirements, mandatory benefits. And for the third one, which is performance bonus, which is we give up to 10% annually, and it leads to the market slightly, as not all companies provide such as structured annual bonuses. And for the fourth part, which is medical and dental insurance, it leads to the market by offering comprehensive health coverage, which enhance employee well-being. And for the last one, which is annual increment, based on their performance, and we meet the market standards aligned with performance appraisal system. So that's all for me. We move to the next presenter.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Ishaq. So I will present for Human Resource Executive, position Human Resource Executive. For the HR Executive, assist in daily HR operation, included requirement, payroll, performance management, function smoothly and effectively. So the JD will go to the administration and system. They maintain employee records, attendance, and the HR database. Accurate record keeping is crucial to support HR decision and ensure compliance with company policy. For employee management, the HR executive support onboarding of new employee, manage staff welfare programs, and handle employee increment. This help maintain a positive workplace and strong employee relation. For requirement to perform this role effectively, the candidate should have a bachelor degree in HRM or human resource manager or business, 2 or 3 years experience in human resource or administration, and has a good communication skill and organization skill, and basic knowledge of labor law or employment law and payroll system. So for the job evaluation, the HR executive role is supportive yet very important in ensure that all human resource process run effectively. They report directly to the HR manager and are responsibility of maintaining accurate employee records, managing HR system, and assist in daily HR operation. The HR role also involve handling minor decisions related to employee data, attendance, or payroll, while ensure compliance with company policy, labor law. Additionally, the HR executive contribute to requirement, onboarding, and staff welfare programs, which is help maintain a positive and productive workplace. So for the overall, by supporting smooth HR operation and employee engagement, this role play the key part of enhance organization performance. So I will go to the market table. Here we have the market survey for human resource executive position. The tables the table show data from JobSeek Malaysia, Glassdoor Malaysia, and Inmates Jobs Malaysia. The average salary international comparison. The average monthly salary is range from 3,250 to 4,500, and the average annual salary range from 39,000 to RM 54,000 for all source. Indicate the role is for entry to mid-level candidate or 0 to 5 year of experience. The overall average help benchmark to purposely pay to ensure competitiveness. So for the next one is a pay decision. Pay decisions based on a market survey. The pay decision is a positioned at mid level, meaning is elegant with a current market average. The proposed salary is 3,400 to 4,200 per month. Uh, so for the benefit include EPF, social, medical coverage, and annual leave. Ensure that our package is competitive, fair, and support employee satisfaction and relation. So I will go for the next part, which is go to next presenter.
Azam. Here we will be presenting the analysis of the payroll executive position at Sarung. My presentation will focus on three main areas: the job description, the job evaluation, and the pay decision based on the market survey finding. Let's begin with the a very important role in ensuring this position requires high attention to detail, confidentiality, and full compliance with Malaysian statutory requirement. At Sarung the payroll executive support both the human resource and finance department by managing payroll data, processing employee payments, and ensuring all statutory deduction are submitted correctly. This includes contribution to EPF, SOXO, EIS, and PCB. In short, this role ensures that the company maintain both employee trust and organizational transparency through accurate and timely payroll management. The main responsibility of a payroll executive include process monthly payroll and updating salary record when there are change in employee information or compensation, calculating various pay components such as deduction, overtime bonus, and claims. Next, preparing and submitting statutory uh, payroll executive need preparing detailed payroll report for both HR and finance department to assist management in tracking payroll expense. For the last, maintaining confidentiality and resolving any pay discrepancy efficiently. These responsibilities are crucial because error in payroll can negatively impact employee satisfaction and the company reputation. To, to qualify for this position, candidates should have at least a diploma or degree in human resource management or accounting or finance For the functionality and integrity, familiarity with payroll software system, and lastly, strong knowledge of Malaysian labor and tax law. In summary, the payroll executive is essential to ensuring the employee paid correctly, the payroll system operates smoothly, and the company remain compliant with all statutory obligations. For the job evaluation, the payroll executive was evaluated using the point factor system, which measure several key factors such as responsibility, skill, effort, and working condition. This job score of total 77 point, placing in grade 6 mid-level executive. First, the responsibility factor 40% reflect the importance of accuracy in payroll and the need to comply with statutory regulation. This is major component because payroll error can have serious financial and legal factor recognized under complex payroll procedure. The effort factor is also high because the job requires strong concentration, attention to detail, and the ability to meet tight monthly deadline. Finally, the working condition factor represents a structured office-based environment where the job is mainly routine but require reliability and consistency. Overall, this evaluation shows that the payroll executive will demand both technical and analytical skill, precision, and responsibility within a stable office setting. Now, let's move on to market survey table. According to the salary data collected from JobStreet, Glassdoor, and Indeed Malaysia, the average market salary payroll is around 40,125. 32,000 for the Glassdoor 55,000. For the Indeed job in Malaysia is around 60,000. So for the average salary is 49,500. Based on the next, I will proceed to pay decision. Based on market research, the average salary range for payroll executive is between 3,400 and 5,000 per month, with the market average of around 40,125. This gives us good benchmark to ensure our pay structure remains competitive within the industry. At Sarung Tangan, the salary range for this position is between 3,600 and 40,200 per month. This is back at the mid-level, meaning it aligns closely with the prevailing market average and reflects the company's effort to maintain fair and consistent pay practices. The pay range also take into account the responsibility of the role and the expected experience level of candidate, which is typically between 0 to 5 years. By position at the pay at the mid-level, the company remains competitive in attracting and retaining capability and qualified employees. In addition to salary, Sarung Tangan Getah also provides standard benefits such as EPF and social contribution, medical coverage, and annual leave. This benefit help enhance overall job satisfaction, promote employee well-being, and support long-term retention within the organization. That's all from me. Next, I will pass to next presenter.
So thank you, Mr. Hanafi. So for my part, I will explain the HR training executive role, which is crucial for ensuring employees receive proper training to enhance performance and support organizational growth. The role involves identifying training needs, preparing annual plans, managing HRDF submissions, organizing workshops, and evaluating training effectiveness. The position requires a bachelor's degree in HR or a related field, 1 to 3 years of experience, strong communication and planning skills, and knowledge of training system and HRDF procedure. Using market sur- Using market survey table 4, the average executive salary is 3,875 ringgit Malaysia. Based on this, we design a pay structure reflecting the responsibilities and value of the role. The company adopts a lead the market strategy, setting the base salary at 4,200 ringgit, slightly above the market average, with statutory benefits EPF, SOCSO, and EIS, medical and dental coverage, annual performance bonus up to 10%, and yearly increments based on a performance appraisal. This concludes my presentation on the HR training executive, including the role, pay structure, and pay decision. That's all for me. I will pass to the next slide, which is the benefit to Shah Hazrin.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Ali Shazwan. Uh, as we can see, benefit package at Sarung Tangan, which is STG. As you see from the table, the different position receive slightly different level of benefits depending on their responsibility. So, for the example, the HR manager enjoy full benefits, including flexibility, working hour. So, and leadership training programs. Meanwhile, position like payroll executive have a basic coverage such as annual leave, social, EPF, and overtime pay. This structure ensures fairness while rewarding responsibility and performance for their position, which is a HR manager, HR executive, and payroll executive and HR officer. So, for I will pass to the next presenter.
Thank you, Shah Hazril bin Muhammad Zulkifli. So, for the last slide, which is the conclusion, I will tell you about the conclusion, which is second, which is the employee well-being, and the last one, which is strategic vision. So I will explain for the first one, which is operational excellence, which is the first one is this factor emphasize STG continuous commitment to improving product optimizing processes, and reducing waste. STG ensure consistent product quality and cost effectiveness, which is the operational excellence help the company maintains its position as a global leader in the rubber glove industry. So, and it enabling it to meet high demand while maintaining profitability and reliability. And the last one, which is the second one, which is the employee well-being. STG recognize that its employees are the backbone of its success by ensuring fair pay, attractive benefits, and supportive workplace culture. The company creates a motivated and loyal workforce, and a strong focus on employee well-being leads to higher productivity, lower turnover, and better teamwork. And it also reflects SDG's commitment to ethical labor practice and social responsibility, and enhancing its corporate reputation. And the last one, which is strategic vision, which is the company long-term success is also driven by its strategic vision, which focus on quality, sustainability, and global competitiveness. And SDG prioritizing innovation and environmentally friendly practices to ensure long-term growth while minimizing global environmental impact. And this forward-looking strategy allows SDG to remain competitive in the global market and it adapt to industry change and sustain customer trust. Overall, the combination of us Overall, the combination of operational excellence, employee well-being, and strategic vision forms the foundation of Sarung Tangan success. And these factors ensure the company remains efficient, social responsibility, and global competitive, and in allowing to maintain leadership in the glove manufacturing industry while preparing for future challenge and opportunity. So, that's all from us, and thank you for listening, and thank you all.